Hey there, it's Brittany, and I am back. I got my Jesse James Beads summer camp kit today, and oh my gosh, it's so big. I can't even fit it on camera. So it's so cute. It's like a little knapsack, and it's tie-dye, and it's so cute. I love it, love it, love it. So let's bust into this baby and see what is in the kit. The first thing I have is the welcome to JJB summer camp. And then inside is our schedule. Super cute. So there's a schedule. My class is Friday. Then there's a history of Jesse James beads on the back. So cute. Look at Sarah. And let's dive into the beads. Let's see what's in here. I'm just going to pull stuff out randomly because I have no idea what's here is everything from my class. So I will go through that when I come up. This is like the actual kit for me to teach with, but I'll show you everything that's involved in the class that I'm teaching. My class is going to be a leather necklace that is a double strand necklace. So we have some I think this is 3mm, yep, suede from Leather Cord USA, and I think this is also going to be used for a pair of earrings by Tiara Cast. We have some 7-strand beadalon in gold, this beautiful bead mix, and I don't really want to open the bead mix because I want to keep everything together for my class. But look at that fantastic huge bead. Oh my gosh, this class is going to be so awesome. I'll insert a picture of the necklace I'm making right here. We've got some soldered rings, and we've got some quick links. So all of this is going to be just for my class, with the exception that this is shared between the Tiara class. Next, there is going to be a Sculpey polymer clay class. I'm so excited about this. With the Sculpey class, we're going to be using these tools. There's a roller and some clay shaping tools. That's pretty cool. Then there's some gold leaf flex. That's awesome. We've got 2 colors of Sculpey Primo. This color is blue, ultramarine blue, which I probably do have, but probably not very much of. We have a toothpick. This is probably for making holes in our beads. And we have pale blue, which I don't think I have. So that's exciting. So excited for that class. Even though I know how to make beads, like I still want to take classes from people at Sculpey. Next, I think this is like a findings bag. So, we have some, this is Sari Silk, which, you know, I just bought some, so I'm super excited. I think this is for Wendy's class. Look at the polka dots. I've been looking at Sari Silk with polka dots, so I'm so excited to get some. And then we have some turquoise. I mean, was this made for me? And the cool thing is the instructors teach the classes, but we definitely encourage you to use your creativity and go wild with your design. Next is, this is for the Tiara Cast class. We'll be using these to make some earrings. Aren't those so cute? Although I might save them to make them into a bracelet or a necklace because I don't wear earrings. These are really nice. Well, I don't wear dangle earrings, I should say. And then we have some tiny chain, a fish hook clasp. Oh my gosh, that's so cute. That's for Danielle Wick's class. I'm not quite sure who this paper clip chain, what class that's for, but that's really nice. We have some silver silk. Oh my gosh, that's so nice. It's gorgeous. By Nilay Patel. And then we have some clasps. Look at this gorgeous heart. Isn't that so pretty? Two big clasps and a magnetic clasp, and then some ear wires. So nice. And then there was also a needle in here for one of the classes. Next we have this cute strand. This one's called Sport Sock Heishi Strand. I think this is for Nilay's class with the silver silk. This is super cute. Super cute. Love the rainbow. Love the whole vibe of this color palette from the whole entire summer camp. These beads are check glass. These are from I think John Bead, and they're for Danielle Wick's class. So we've got some bright blue seed beads. We've got a little Zuni bear. You know I love a little Zuni bear. And then that fish clasp goes with this bracelet. Some tiny seed beads, and then some larger seed beads. Love the color palette on this one too. And then look at this. Every camper gets one of these. So this is from Impress Art. Okay, and if you don't know Impress Art, it's stamping on metal. So it's base metal stamping. We are going to, I think, be stamping a constellation on a pendant. Oh my goodness. And then they included the entire 12 constellations, so you can choose yours. I'm a Scorpio. And then we have the blank. Oh, they included 2 blanks, so you can make 2 necklaces. That's pretty cool. And then you get your stamps. This is awesome. I haven't gone through this part of the package yet. So you get your little stars. So cute. And then you get your, this is the ink to put in and fill the divots or the impressions that you make to make them darker. We have a polishing cloth and then a necklace. That is so cool. I love that they put everything in here so we know what goes with what. We also get a hammer. Look at that. Isn't that so cool? I think I have one of these, but I've never used it. And now I'm so excited to take this class and get some use out of it. And then we have, I want to say, I don't know what this is. I think it's a bracelet blank, which is interesting because I didn't know we were making a bracelet. That's fun. I actually don't know what we're doing. I know we're doing the constellations, but, and then I think this is the stamping block. I'm not quite sure. It looks a little greasy, so I'm going to leave this in the box just like that until I find out what we're doing with that. But isn't that awesome? Every camper got a hammer and a stamping block and stamps. That's crazy. That's bananas. I love it. I think I'm going to name him MC, so he's MC Hammer. I'm a goofball. All right, next we have some artistic wire, which is also for my class. We also have some 20 yards of wildfire. And what color is this? Beige. That's cool. It's a color I don't have. I have a lot of wildfire for somebody who doesn't seed bead. Next, we have seed beads and sunbeams. So this is another kit for a specific class. So we've got some nice crystal bicones and then 4 different colors of seed beads in there. But wait, there's more. We have 2 strands of crystal thunder, so thunder polished crystals. Oh, it's 1 strand, but it's a double strand, so it's 2. Isn't that pretty? Just clear crystals. Got more artistic wire in silver this time. We have some Color Craft by Beadalon craft wire, so it's 18 gauge in silver. We have some rose quartz chips, so pretty, and some peridot. That's awesome. Got real gemstones. We have another strand. I think this is for Wendy's class. Look at that. It's got a little camper on it. Don't let my mom see this. She'll confiscate it. She loves campers. But I love mustard and turquoise together, so she's going to have to fight me. And I'm almost 6 feet tall, so she doesn't want to fight me. She's 5'2". So then we have cute little chevron beads in 2 different finishes. Hearts. This whole strand is calling my name. My goodness. Love that. So cute. And we have another bead mix. Again, I'm sorry. I know I normally open the bead mixes, but I want to keep everything together for the camp. But I will put a link below that'll take you to summer camp on their website. It's an affiliate link, and you can see all of the mixes and what's going to be in them, I think. So if not, let me know. Oh my goodness, there's a really pretty blue and purple heart right there. So cute. That's a really cute mix. Then we have some black elasticity, which is awesome. I'm almost out of my black elasticity. This is 5 meters. And then last but not least, this strand is so stinking cute. This is called Rainbow Wave. I just love it. I would honestly just put this on a necklace like this or a bracelet. I'm just in love with how big this one is. I have these beads, but not in that big shape. I love those and these. And I just love the like 70s vibe of all the colors together. Everything is just so cool. Look how great these are. These are 3 different classes. I'm so excited. So if you want more information about summer camp, I will put it in the description. I also have a $10 off coupon. It's Camp Brittany. So yeah, if you're interested and or if you have any questions, let me know. Let me know what your favorite thing was. If you're signed up for summer camp, let me know what your favorite or what class you're looking forward to most. And I will see you there. Stay tuned for Goldie. She's super cute. Bye-bye. Look at that little baby. Look at those little chicken wings.